Millennials, let's be real for a second. You've been told that the road to financial freedom is a long one, right? Hard work, long hours, and waiting until you're gray and tired to finally kick back and enjoy life. But what if I told you there's a smarter, faster way? A way to start earning while you sleep? A way to stop trading time for money? Yes, it's possible. And it's more than just a dream. It's a reality that's available to anyone who's willing to learn how to build wealth through passive income streams. Don't get stuck in the hamster wheel of working 9 to 5 for the next 40 years, hoping one day you'll retire with enough to live comfortably. The world has changed, and you can be ahead of the curve. But here's the truth, if you don't act now, you might miss the boat. Time is money, and the sooner you start, the faster you can escape the grind. Ready to take control of your financial future? The Turning Point Passive Income Streams. Let's dive into some of the best passive income streams for millennials, the ones that will get you closer to living the life you deserve. Real estate investing. First up, real estate. Now, I know what you're thinking. I don't have millions of dollars to buy a property. But listen closely, this is where things get interesting. You don't need to own an entire building to benefit from real estate. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, allow you to invest in real estate without all the headaches of actually owning property. With just a few $100, you can get started and make money from rental properties and commercial real estate all over the country. Imagine making money from properties you've never seen. Sounds like magic? It's real. The best part? REITs pay regular dividends, passive income in your pocket, just for holding shares. If you're a beginner, this could be your golden ticket. Next, let's talk about e-commerce. Maybe you've heard of drop shipping or creating an online store. Well, it's not just a trend, it's a game changer. You can sell products online, and if you do it right, the process becomes automated. You won't even have to touch inventory. Imagine waking up to sales in your inbox without lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Now, before you roll your eyes and think, that's only for the pros, I promise you this is something anyone can do with the right strategy. And don't worry, I've got a tip for you at the end of this video that will completely change the way you look at e-commerce. Ever thought about creating something once and selling it forever? That's the power of digital products. Things like ebooks, courses, templates, and even music. You're an expert at something, whether it's design, fitness, marketing, or even your own personal experiences. Turn that expertise into a digital product. Once it's made, you can sell it again and again without any extra effort. Set it and forget it. Next income stream, dividend stocks. Okay, but what about the stock market? Let's talk about the power of dividend investing. This is where your money works for you. Instead of buying stocks that only go up when you sell, you buy stocks that pay you just for holding them. Person reviewing their investment portfolio with dividend payout notifications. Imagine owning shares in companies you believe in, and every quarter, those companies pay you. It's like having a mini paycheck come in without lifting a finger. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but over time, it can transform your life. The resolution, taking action. You've heard of the opportunities. The question is, what's holding you back? Fear of failure, uncertainty? Or maybe, just maybe, you've been waiting for the perfect moment to start. Here's the hard truth. The perfect moment doesn't exist. It's time to stop waiting and start doing. You can start small. Start with one income stream, then build on it. In fact, the most successful people in the world didn't get there by playing it safe. They took risks, they acted, and most importantly, they learned as they went. Now, the best part, if you really want to level up your passive income game, you have to treat it like a business. This is not a hobby. It's your future. Are you ready to stop trading time for money? Are you ready to break free and create a life where you can do more of what you love while your bank account grows? Remember, you don't need to wait for permission to live the life you want. Start today, build your future, and let your money work for you. See you in the next video.